After a long enough conversation, ChatGPT Web starts falling apart. This is a real chat I've been using heavily for weeks. It took over a minute just to open. The copy button stopped responding. Scrolling became unusable, and eventually Chrome marked the tab as unresponsive before I could even type a new prompt. So, I built ChatSpeed. Instead of cleaning the UI after it slows down, ChatSpeed intercepts the incoming conversation graph and trims old conversation data before the UI ever sees it. Same chat. Now it loads much faster. Only the latest conversation context stays mounted in the UI. Copy works instantly again. Scrolling is smooth again, and I can continue the conversation normally without starting a new chat or losing my flow. In this stress test, ChatSpeed pruned over 1,200 conversation nodes and reduced the active memory footprint by several megabytes. Once the threshold is reached, ChatSpeed automatically intercepts the incoming stream and keeps the chat responsive. No new chat, no lost flow. Just a usable, long-form ChatGPT session again.